Welcome to the Holy Creek Show, the best podcast in the universe. Nobody can challenge. The best in the universe. Faham? Korang faham tak? Faham ke tak faham? Faham, bagus. Okay. Hari ada satu topik. Today got a very not even sensitive topic lah. It's just a topic that aku nak share. Pasal at the end of the day, kita ni human being. Human being in the sense of, aku rasa tak orang tak kita Aku rasa lah. Let me explain. Okay. Bullying in Singapore as of early of 2026, including the trends, the public cases and the government response, because individual case of list of 2020 don't get publicly tailed in one place. But there are important development and incident that reflect the issue scale and public concern. Ni hari actually pasal bully lah. Kalau korang nak cakap bully, aku the biggest bully of all bully. Okay, aku bully. Aku suka bully. And aku pun pernah kena bully. Tapi kalau nak bully, kalau ayam tak bertaji, kalau korang nak bully, memang tak best lah. Usually the case is, kalau kau nak bully orang, make sure don't do it, not say do it publicly or don't do it publicly ke apa ke. But bagi aku, tak masuk akal lah kalau kau nak bully orang. And other bullying case incidents still occur and are under review. Ni kat sekolah MOE conducting a comprehensive review of bullying and hurtful behaviour across school. Review began in early 2025, yield recommendation of Q2 2026 following broad public engagement. The highlight that bully remains a topic of concern that the ministry is actively trying to improve through policy and educational reform. Okay, the notable cases yang happen. Satu primary school, primary 3, hantar death threat to classmate, parent and extended bullying, leading to suspension and disciplinary action such as caning. Separate case at Sengkang Green Primary drew strong public attention and debate, including parental calls for stronger teacher support and better handling of serious behaviour issues. So, this is the some incident in school that happens in primary school. Primary school dah start, Jack. Primary school dah start. Musibut. Aku time primary school pun kita ada, yalah, kita pun pernah bully orang. Orang pun pernah bully kita. Especially at the senior level. Kau primary 2, primary 3, primary 5, primary 6 selalu bully kau lah. But not to the extent of nak hantar letter to parents, aku nak bunuh, I want to murder your child, or I want to beat up your son, I want to beat up your daughter, or something like that lah. Kita very subtle kat sekolah, taruh thumbtack, bukan thumbtack kan, kau tahu kau ambil 2 stapler, kau pusingkan, kau taruh kat dorang punya seat, biar dorang duduk terperanjat. Something like that. That's called bullying as well. So, and again, aku ada anak. Kalau anak aku kena bully, memang aku tak happy. And korang ingat ni apa yang aku cakap pasal anak. Okay, cyberbullying continues to be an emerging concern. Separate report on online harassment and cyberbullying show that digital interaction drives more people, especially young users, encounter harmful online content, including cyberbullying, even if it only a minority formally report this encounter. This suggests that while traditional school bullying remains the focus, still remain the focus. Online bullying tak sangat. Online forms of harassment are as important part of the overall bullying picture. Okay, and the national dialogue plus future legal framework, Singapore is progressing other initiative related to online harm. A new online safety law being debated in Parliament in 2005-2006 would empower a commission of block harmful online content, including cyberbullying and harassment, potentially affecting how such behavior can be addressed more broadly. Key takeaway of this, high-profile cases from recent years have shaped public awareness and expectation about school how to handle the seriousness of the incident. Cyberbullying is part of the broader bullying landscape, which increase online exposure contributing to harm. And online bullying, actually, it's more of mental torture. Kau malu kena bully, orang tu tak boleh buat apa-apa. Dia kira macam mana tahu guys. Ayam tak bertaji lah. Ayam tak bertaji. So, aku nak cakap pasal benda ni. Actually, dah berminggu. Tapi aku relax dulu. Pasal korang pun ada platform, aku pun ada platform untuk, talk about this matter. Okay, to talk about this matter. Maybe I'm not the right person to do it. Maybe I'm not the right podcast, or maybe I'm not the right suara to do it. But as a father of 4 and a 51-year-old guy, okay, I have a platform, Alhamdulillah, the Holy Creed Show, the best podcast in the universe, to maybe share this among all my Holy Creed fans or friends. I don't want to call fans. Fans geli. My Holy Creed friends and family, that cyberbullying or bullying, just simple as bullying, still exists in this day and age. Okay. This will be disclaimer. Kalau korang boleh disclaimer, aku pun nak disclaimer, Syul. Ini aku buat ni meant no harm, nothing malicious, train of thoughts, sitting down and thinking of macam mana I want to deliberate this to people such as, the Malay Muslim community and, yang don't engage. That's the thing. Don't engage. Kau nak cloud, kau nak apa, kau nak buat apa semua, tak jadi masalah. Kita pernah warning kau untuk jangan buat ni benda. Jangan jatuhkan Melayu unless kalau dia betul-betul, orang tu betul-betul macam siak ke apa ke. But that's not the case lah. Not online, not doing YouTube, not doing, So, aku just patutlah. Sorry guys, lupa pakai cermin mata. Maafkan saya. Kau get people. You are the voices of people here in Singapore. Aku tak nak beat around the bush guys. Nanti slowly aku akan, aku akan keluarkan what's the problem actually. As aku mention, aku ada anak 4. Anak aku pun akan ada anak insyaAllah satu hari. Orang yang buat bully-bully ni semua pun akan ada anak. And aku rasa kita sebagai parents ataupun kita sebagai orang yang tua lah, yang ada wawasan lah, yang ada wawasan. Okay. Yang ada kepala otak. Kalau seseorang tu nak cakap dia kurang upaya, dia tak kurang upaya. Dia kira slow. Okay, dia kira slow. In midst of a lot of things, aku put it as slow. Okay. Dia tak berapa minda dia, tak berapa pandai lah. Or, in the sense of, he's a bit off here and there. This is not a personal attack to anybody. Okay, I retract what I said. This is not a personal attack, but I think as a human being, okay, I don't want to put myself as a father. I'm putting myself as a human being. If I see that Dini dia tak boleh express himself, hamba Allah ni tak boleh express himself on a personal level. Aku tak tahu whether dia happy tak happy aku buat ni, tapi pergi mati, aku tak peduli. This is not even a hate speech. I just want to clear that whatever that this group of people is doing, bagi aku try lah. Orang yang tahu jawab kau balik, orang yang kira, kalau kau nak cakap entertainment, ini aku bikin pun entertainment. What I'm doing now is entertainment. Nothing malicious. If you can do it, I also can do it. I have the platform. I have the people. 10 orang pun support, aku happy. 15 orang support pun aku happy. Aku jalan sorang ni. Holy Creed Show sekarang aku tengah jalan sorang. Bagi aku, korang 4 orang, korang 5 orang, korang 6 orang, korang 7 orang, kau bully satu individual. Bagi aku korang tak, macam mana nak cakap, bukan tak gentle lah. Memang untuk korang punya entertainment. Memang korang nak rake viewership. Korang nak rake, korang ni pun aku rake, aku pun nak viewership. Sebab tu aku buat ni benda. Aku pun nak rake viewership. Apa korang boleh bikin? Aku pun nak rake subscriber. Guys, jangan lupa subscribe guys. Subscribe jangan lupa. Okay. Aku pun nak rake orang pun aku nak suruh follow Holy Creed Show, the best podcast in the universe. Aku pun nak orang dengar aku punya podcast. Aku pun nak view banyak, 100 lebih, 100 lebih, 100,000 views, 200,000 views. Aku pun nak. Aku pun nak. So, tapi kita berwawasan. Kita ni manusia. Aku ni seorang bapa. Yang buat ni pun silap pun seorang bapa. Silap yang buat ni pun ada anak saudara yang maybe slow, mentally disturbed. Okay. Anak-anak special. Maybe. Just imagine this happen to your family. Just imagine this happen to your daughter, to your son, to your uncle, to your aunt. Korang buat apa? Yang duduk bully ni, korang buat apa? Korang buat bodoh ke? Alah, kena sikit je. Sibut. Especially kalau anak kita. Kalau our own flesh and blood. Anak kau kena. Kau nak cakap macam ini? Tak apalah, buat bodoh je. Biar, serahkan kepada Allah. Biar. Cina cakap apa tau? Ming Chong Chu Ting. In faith we trust. Nampak? Nak macam gitu? Percaya pada takdir, tak apa. Ada pergi, ada balik. Tuhan tu maha kaya. Betul. Apa yang cakap tu semua betul. Boleh elak? Boleh. Tak jadi masalah. Once kalau kau dah start bully, in fact, kau punya followers, kau punya following, and you as a person, me as a person, having this mic, doing the recording, and stuff like that, felt if I'm bullying someone, I have the power in my hand to tell my viewers, to tell my friends, kau tengok dia ni. Kau tengok dia ni. Kau tengok apa dia buat. Dia akan tunduk dengan aku pasal dia duduk dekat aku punya podcast. Dia duduk dengan aku tengah rekod dia. So, aku nak korang duduk, korang fikir, aku nak korang just think, just put it in your mind. Maybe sekarang korang ada anak perfect. Cute, 5 tahun, 6 tahun, perfect. Okay, K1, K2, nursery 1, nursery 2. Sekarang tengah baby. When he or she go to primary school, secondary school, polytechnic, diorang akan membesar apa? Diorang akan membesar, diorang akan ada kawan-kawan, diorang akan bergaul dengan orang-orang yang lain-lain jugalah. Because it is the nature of your kids that bergaul tu tak boleh elak. Kau pakai tudung ke, kau pakai songkok ke, kau madrasah ke, kau apa ke, tetap akan bergaul. Baik, jahat, isap dadah, bikin kerja-kerja yang keji. In a point of time, mesti akan bercampur. Tak boleh elak. Pasal only a good 6 to 8 hours dorang ada kat rumah. And the rest of the 16 hours dorang kat luar. Which is beyond your control. Which is beyond your control. Dorang akan berminat membuat aktiviti-aktiviti seperti berlari-lari anak. Nampak? Pakcik main berbual, lari anak. Dorang akan ada aktiviti pergi ke chalet. I don't know what's going on with this generation right now. Dorang akan bergaul, pergi tengok wayang. Ada yang suka main muzik, main gitar, belajar drum, belajar, ada yang ambil, MMA lah, BJJ, boxing lah, itulah ini. Physical sport, ada yang berminat bermain muzik. Bagi aku, kalau dorang ada any kind of activity yang menyihatkan badan ataupun yang menyenangkan pemikiran dorang, okay, yang menyenangkan pemikiran dorang ataupun yang buat dorang happy. Aku pergi ni, aku happy, aku pergi main bola, aku happy, aku pergi lari, aku happy, aku pergi gym, aku happy. Untuk budak-budak zaman sekarang lah. Benda yang bermanfaat. even though they are not good at it. Kita sebagai parents, kita sebagai kawan, kita sebagai orang luar, memberi sokongan. Especially anak-anak ataupun budak-budak yang slow. Dia bukan bodoh. Dia bukan tak pandai. Slow. Yang memory card dorang kira apa tahu? 12 GB lah memory card dorang. Tapi they know what's going on. They know what is happening. They know what is good, what is bad. Even though they suck at it, the things that they do. Okay, even though they suck at it, the things that they do. Kita sebagai parent, mak bapak, datuk, nenek, abang saudara, pakcik, makcik, especially kawan-kawan. Okay, aku bukan nak step abang-abang bengkak guys. Walaupun umur aku dah 51, aku tak step abang-abang bengkak. Tak pernah aku nak step abang-abang bengkak untuk advice orang. Tapi at the rate, aku tengok ni satu. YouTube ni. Aku kenal. Okay, aku kenal orang dia. Aku kenal orang yang dia bukan bully lah kira. Macam mana nak cakap Kira menindas. That's the word. Dia bukan bully, tapi dia menindas. Aku tak kira kau punya platform kau nak buat macam mana, tu kau punya pasal, kau punya hak. Kau nak bikin apa pun, kau punya hak. Aku nak bikin apa pun, aku punya hak. But I'm just stating that as a father, walaupun budak ni bukan anak aku, tapi aku put my shoe, okay, if I was his father, aku gangster pun bukan. Aku tak ada benda. Tapi cara korang buat budak ni dekat dalam korang punya podcast, aku rasa korang semua bagus. Aku akan sambung cerita ni. Aku akan bawa lagi satu episod. Dan aku akan bilang siapa orang dia. And aku akan tanya pendapat masing-masing. Korang nak kena leave comment nanti dekat episod yang akan lagi satu ni. Aku nak tanya pendapat korang sebagai manusia, bukan sebagai binatang. Okay, I see you guys on the next episode. Selamat.
Welcome to the Holy Quick Show. I'm your host, Stu Walk, the guy with the best podcast in the universe, and the only ultra marathon running the podcast ain't in Singapore. This is the hot dude, get some phenomenal support. This is the hot dude, get some phenomenal support. Follow up, I'll do the tab string guys. Holy Quick Show. 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 Welcome to the Holy Quick Show. I'm your host, Stu Walk, the guy with the best podcast in the universe, and the only ultra marathon running the podcast ain't in Singapore.